Container gardening is the practice of growing plants exclusively in containers instead of planting them in the ground. In this lecture, we are going to study different types of container and pots that are available for planting. Let us learn how many types of container are used in garden for potting a plant. There are several types of container that can be used for growing vegetable and flower, including polyethylene bags, clay pots, plastic pots, cemented or ceramic pots, and the metallic pots. Container ranges from simple plastic pots to the complex automatic watering irrigation systems. This flexibility in design is another reason container gardening is popular with the growers. The container needs to have good drainage and should not contain chemicals that are toxic to plant and human beings. Sub-irrigated planter are a type of container that may be used in container gardens. Potting material must be loose and allow drainage to offer proper aeration for roots to breathe. Let us look at the characteristic of a container. The container must include a drainage hole, and size of container should match the plant needs. Container should be attractive, complement to surrounding, and gives proper support to the plant. Let us discuss the type of container or pot. First is clay pot. Clay pot is a type of container which are made of a particular soil and fired in kilns during the manufacturing process. The rusty brown color of clay is harmonious with every flower and foliage color. They also have a fair amount of weight and do not blow over as easily as much plastic pots. Clay does not have the disadvantage of drying quickly. This can be a problem for moisture-loving plants such as ferns or when attempting to germinate seeds. Clay also have the tendency to form a white crusty layer on the outside of the pots. Some find this layer attractive, most gardeners find it unsightly. The salt deposit can be scrubbed off if their appearance offends. A final disadvantage is that clay is easily broken. Plastic pots. These are made of inert material and are considered safe for growing plants. Many are made of recyclable plastic, so disposal of environmental friendly when the pot is no longer usable. Plastic pots generally have thinner wall than the clay, which offers root little if the insulation from the temperature changes. Black plastic can actually act as the solar collector, heating up the potting medium to plant damaging levels. Plastic pots are light-weighted, strong and flexible. They are available in every color of the rainbow to coordinate with the interior and exterior decor. Plastic does not have the wicking action that clay has, making them an excellent choice for moisture-loving plants or for those gardeners who water infrequently. Plastic pots are impermeable, less expensive and are lighter. Next type of container is cement pot, which are made of a concrete and cement during the manufacturing process. Look at the pictures of some type of containers. Quality of these pots is that they provide a healthy environment for most plants. The porosity of cement allows air and moisture to penetrate the sides of pot. Another advantage is that this moisture and air is utilized by the fine root located at the edge of the soil ball. Cement pots also act like a wick to remove excess moisture from the potting soil. This can be looked at as the both an advantage and a disadvantage depending upon the watering habits. What does ceramic pot means? Ceramic pots are made from clay, either by itself or mixed with other material. The ceramic pot is in excellent condition and is well made. The ceramic pots are attractive as you can see many designs available in this type of container. Ceramic pot provides crackle glaze with a uniform size segment. Have a look at the images where it is of pale grey with darker bluish grey line. Thank you and see you in the next session.